Effective protection of wide open areas is challenging for law enforcement, full of unknowns and unexpected turns. Let's take a closer look at Tom, our ranger, who couldn't possibly do it alone, but thanks to the SensoGuard's wireless tactical solution, he never really is. Leveraging advanced wireless seismic sensors with a powerful wireless HD camera, deployment of the SG Cam Kit takes minutes and requires no prior technical know-how. Dig a hole, bury the sensor, and you're halfway there. SG Cam Kit has a hub that receives data from the sensors. Additional cameras and kits can be easily added to form a high-security network covering large areas under a single command and control. Featuring independent sensor processing, intrusions can be detected with pinpoint accuracy. Each sensor triggers the relevant distant camera that covers an area large enough to capture even a drive-by vehicle and instantly send it via MMS or email. Portable and most reliable, the SG Camera Kit is used extensively by the IDF and leading militaries, government agencies, law enforcement authorities, and more, with an impressive track record and numerous success stories. The SG Cam Kit is easy to maintain and operates on batteries for months. Invisible and durable, it's nearly impossible to sabotage and can sustain extreme weather conditions, offering 24/7 detection of footsteps, vehicles, and unauthorized digging activities. SensoGuard Wireless Cam Kit is tactical and strategic, helping to magnify the effective surveillance range of law enforcement authorities to complete security from ground up. So turn the tables on intruders and puts the element of surprise where it belongs, in your hands.